If you had to start from zero, no money, no connections, how would you build passive income? In this video, I'm going to show you 7 real passive income streams that actually work, and exactly how I would start today. Most people think passive income means doing nothing. It doesn't. It means working once and getting paid over and over again. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start building income that works for you 24/7. Digital products are one of the fastest ways to build passive income. Think about these great possibilities: budget planners, investing guides, savings trackers. You create it once and sell it forever. How to start? Pick a simple problem: budgeting, debt, saving. Create a 10-15 page PDF, Canva or Gamma. Sell it on your website or Etsy. This is one of the highest margin income streams out there. Dividend stocks pay you just for owning them. Companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, Realty Income. They pay you quarterly, whether you work or not. Start small, reinvest your dividends, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. Try this. You recommend products and earn a commission. Examples: finance tools, credit cards, investing apps, your LinkedIn, YouTube descriptions, blog posts, Pinterest pins. This works especially well when paired with content. YouTube is one of the most powerful passive income assets. You get paid from ads, affiliate links, digital product sales. One video can pay you for years. Focus on evergreen topics, high search demand, strong thumbnails. Rental properties generate consistent monthly income. But if you're starting from zero, consider REITs first, or save for your first property. Real estate is slower, but extremely powerful over time. If you know something valuable, you can teach it. Examples: budgeting systems, investing basics, side hustle strategies. Record once, sell forever. Printables are exploding right now. Think about the following: budget sheets, savings challenges, financial planners. Pinterest can drive thousands of clicks per month for free. If I had to start today, here's exactly what I'd do. Step 1. Create one digital product. Step 2. Post content daily. YouTube, plus Shorts, plus Pinterest. Step 3. Add affiliate links. Step 4. Build an email list. That's your foundation. If you want to start building passive income, don't wait. Start small. Stay consistent, and build assets that pay you over time. And if you want a free guide to help you make some money, check the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more great finance videos.